Apparently we got a watch.
A watch.
A watch.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 610, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following county, District of Columbia, and the following counties in Maryland, Anne Arundel, Baltimore, Calvert, Carroll, Frederick, Hartford, Howard, Kent, Montgomery, Prince George's, Queen Anne's, and Talbot, and the Maryland Independent City of Baltimore, and the following counties in Pennsylvania, Adams and York, and the following, Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland, Patapsco River, Chester River, Eastern Bay, Choptank River, and Pawtuxet River. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland, until 6:30 p.m. At 4:57 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near Maryland Point, moving southeast at 10 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Potomac Creek, Whitewater, Nichols Point, United States. 301 Nice Memorial Bridge, Maryland Point, Nanjanoy Creek, Port Tobacco River, Pope's Creek, Brent Point, Fairview Beach, and Colonial Beach. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland, Eastern Bay until 8 p.m. At 6:06 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 8 nautical miles northeast of Tidal Basin, moving east at 20 knots. These storms will reach the western shore of the Chesapeake Bay around 7 p.m. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. And wind gust of 36 knots was measured in Bethesda, Maryland. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Parsons Island, Chester River, Eastern Bay, Greenberry Point, Miles River, Love Point, Herring Bay, Highland Beach, Sandy Point State Park, Baltimore Light, Severn River, Roanoke, Bloody Point Light, Chesapeake Bay Bridge, Mattapique, Thomas Point Light, Poplar Island, Kent Narrows Bridge, Naval Academy, and Shady Side. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Central Anne Arundel County in central Maryland, northern Prince George's County in central Maryland until 7 p.m. At 6:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over New Carrollton or over Greenbelt, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, College Park Airport reported a wind gust to 63 miles per hour. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Bowie, Annapolis, College Park, Crofton, Greenbelt, Langley Park, Beltsville, Forestville, Largo, Bladensburg, Mayo, University of Maryland, FedEx Field, Odenton, Landover, Hyattsville, Parole, East Riverdale, Adelphi, and Kettering. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.